Yeah, cooking some sausage. Yeah, there's some good beef right here. That's all ready to eat. Got some more right here. Portable bathroom. I just went and use. I'm at the weigh station. Yeah, watching some TV, chilling. Cooking some sausage. Waiting till he's ready. You know, go warm up some rice. Burnt. Well, yeah, that noise is the CB. I don't know why it's doing that, but yeah, got me some brisk. Here's the little fridge. Got my Sapo, sweet tea, my sriracha, butter, my rice, monster, sausage, more Sapo, peach tea, or mango tea. But yeah, it's a little fridge where I put all my food at. Microwave down there. Sucks, but gonna give me a new truck soon. I think after the new year and stuff that. But I'm going home time. To do my home time. My load don't deliver until Wednesday morning at 8 to White Bear Lake. So yeah, that's update on me. Just chilling in the truck right now, cooking some sausage. Then go to sleep after eating. So yeah. This is what you do out here. Save money. Go to Walmart, buy some food. Lasts you for a week. Lasts for you a month or a week. Lasts you for a week and stuff that. Save you out here on the road. Then you think about it, you spend it. You think about it, you spend 15, 20 bucks at a truck stop, and that's a month. And within a month, that's like at least $300 to $400. In a year, it'd be like $1,000 to $2,000, I think. I don't know my math, but I'm just guessing. I'm just saying. But yeah, just buy a little portable stove right here. Get this from Walmart. Buy this gas tank and stuff that. Buy a little pan and stuff that like this. Ooh, hot. How I get this oil? I just use butter. Here goes my butter. But bought that from Quick Trip and sriracha from Walmart. These from Truck Stop. And yeah, rice. I got a bucket full of rice right there. My passenger seat, cause I don't have no passenger with me. So I got full bucket of rice right here. Feel me? I just refill it last 2 weeks, I think. And once I finish again, I just go back to Cut Food, buy 25-pound rice, and my water's right there. Water for my rice, water to drink. Got bricks right there, Krispy Kreme. Can't go out with a Krispy Kreme donut. Got me some pork skin. That's pretty much it. That stupid noisy noise is the fucking CB. So yeah, about warm up my rice. Now, well, warm up some rice, eat, get some sleep, get up back early in the morning, back in the road. So Yep. I'm about to warm some rice. Warm my rice. That's how you save money out here on the road. Don't go to fast food restaurant like Wendy's, Arby's, Hardee's. I do here and there, but I don't do it all the time. Cause I got a microwave, portable stove. I put that thing up top, put that thing in the middle, in the microwave, so it won't be moving around and stuff that while I drive down the highway. But warm my rice. For 5 minutes. But yeah, that's how you save out money. Save money out here and stuff that. Got my laptop out over there on my cutting board right here. Don't forget to grab you some plastic spoon, some plates. Got some more stuff down there. Still got my eggs. It's dark down there, but got some tuna, my eggs. Got some can of soup back there. And up here got my bread, my ramen noodle. It's kind of dark in here, but yep, see it. My ramen noodle, my snack bar, just stuff like that. Oil, cups, plastic spoon, forks. But yeah, that's all the way out. I do out here on the road and stuff that when I do my 10-hour break, or when I'm got downtown and oh yeah, my rice cooker's down here. I don't have the room, so I put it down here. Rice cooker down there. It's a little rice cooker. I got it from Walmart for like what, 23 bucks, 24 bucks. It's like a 3-cup rice. It's a little small one. Might go plan go buy me a Tiger rice cooker and stuff that. Oh shit, it's expensive. It's a Tiger rice cooker. But yep. Here in the rest area. About wait for my rice to be warm up. Eat, then go to sleep. Yeah, this the ready product right here. Yum yum yum. Hell yeah. Ready to munch down. So, yep.
Yeah, I'm here to support Ian. He's been inducted into the West Coast Customs Hall of Fame, which is a huge
Now, good cooker.
it's amazing.
See that big ass cup right there? Yeah, if you're a truck driver, you don't have that, you're not a truck driver. Big ass cup. I barely use it now, but I usually just drink water. And my teas right here. Now, Sample Peach Tea. And I just got this Sample Mango Menace. All natural. Feel me? Drink this. My food. My sausage. Waiting for my rice to be ready. And eat. And go to sleep. And eat. Clean up. Yeah. Sucks. Gotta clean up after once you eat. But yeah, gotta clean up. Might clean up before I eat and stuff that. So yeah, like I say, like, subscribe, comment below, and click on the notification bell onto the right. And like I say, I not that good of a YouTuber out here and stuff. That's my first time, so might be sucks. But yep. Update here, eating, about to eat. Then clean up, then go to sleep. Back on the road early in the morning, about 6:25. That's when my break be done. My 10-hour break be done. So got about 5.5 hours until I get to my second fuel solution in Illinois. Then should have at least 4 or 6.5 hours until I get to Minnesota. So yeah. update where I'm at tomorrow later. Peace.